Navratri in Pakistan offers a fascinating glimpse into the cultural diversity and harmony present in the country. Despite being predominantly Muslim, the festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm in cities like Karachi. A recent viral video shared by Pakistani influencer Dheeraj Mandhan has highlighted these vibrant festivities. The clip captures a Karachi street adorned with lights, a large image of goddess Durga, and scenes of women and children joyfully participating in dandiya and garba. The video, which has garnered over 1.27 lakh views, has sparked widespread discussions online. In the caption accompanying the video, Mandhan wrote, Navratri Day 4 in Karachi, Pakistan. What if I tell you there is an area where you can find a mandir, masjid, gurudwara, and church all within walking distance? This place is called Mini India by many, but I prefer to call it our Pakistan. Experiencing Navratri for the first time in his hometown, Manthan expressed how magical and joyful the celebration was, noting the happiness and energy that filled the air. Many echoed these sentiments, with some even suggesting that the celebrations in Karachi appeared more vibrant than in some parts of India. The heartwarming video has received a flood of positive reactions, with many praising the unity and cultural harmony on display. One viewer commented, "This is the Pakistan I want to see more of, diverse, peaceful, and united." While another expressed surprise at the scale of the celebration, saying, "I had no idea Navratri was celebrated like this in Pakistan. Truly amazing."